Alrighty, this is a student question. Let me pull up OneNote right quick. It's actually not very hard once you turn into a system of linear equations, because computers and calculators and such are very good at solving linear equations. So we've got f of -3 is -a6, and so on and so forth. All we're going to do is we're going to try to figure out, hey, how do I write this as being an equation for a, b, c, and d? And it's really just remember what f of -3 means. It means take this x and change it to a -3. So if I plug in -3 here, I've got a times -27 plus b times -3 squared is 9 plus c times x, which is just -3, plus d. And so on one hand, that's what f of -3 is, what I get when I just change all the x's and make them -3s. On the other hand, I'm supposed to get -a6. So that's going to be my first equation. Let me write it a little prettier. -27a plus 9b minus 3c plus d is -a6. Okay. And now I'm just going to do that same thing for all the values they gave me. They gave me f of -1. So if I plug in -1, -1 cubed is minus, so minus a. -1 squared is plus. -1 is -1. And plus d. So on one hand, f of -1 is that guy right there. On the other hand, it's also -2. Okay, well, f of 1, well, 1 cubed squared, those are all just 1s, so I just have a plus b plus c plus d is 2. If I plug in 2, 2 cubed is 8, so 8a. 2 squared is 4, so 4b. 2 times c is 2c, and d makes 4. All right. So now I've got 4 equations and 4 variables, so you can use a graphing calculator or technology or whatever it is you like the best to solve that. Let me use technology since that's what I've got right on hand. Gaussian elimination online. Okay. So this is well, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns and 4 rows. So this is a 4 by 5. Create matrix. And now I just put in all those coefficients. So -27, 9, -3, 1, -86, -1, 1, -1, 1, -2, 1, 1, whoa. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 8, 4, 2, 1, 4. Solve. And it actually shows you the process to get the answer, but all we care about is at the very end. So a is 2, b is -4, c is 0, d is 4. So that means the polynomial I want, well, a was supposed to go with the x cubed. So a, x cubed, plus b, x squared, plus c is 0. Let me put it here anyway. C times x plus d. So if you just get rid of that sloppy looking 0, that's the polynomial you want. Back here just to check and make sure I didn't make any little stupid mistake. Excellent. All right, I hope that helped, and let me know if you have any more questions.